መገሻታት ክትገድፍዎ ከም ዘለኩም ብዙሕ መገሻታት ኣይትግበሩ ብብዝሒ ሰባት ብነፈርቲ ከይትኸዱ also in Israel country and in Middle East take care all the people the plane the ship staying here in Israel country the people you know me you know what's going the problem in Israel the kill for Israel the killer is the guys is terrorist so most terrorists here inside Israel country so different language different people and don't go by airplane for Europe and for United States of America and then by ship cargo by airplane stay here until coming Jesus Christ you believe me it's coming because I saw myself I know my body who's make problem with us with the women push it kill women after that it's fight with us that runway in Ashkelon city do you know long time ago it's about 5 years ago 5 years I know I write everything in the church Orthodox Christian I was Ashkelon city so another broke my leg in my head here it is look yeah that's why it's make start to fight here that that guy is very bullshit you don't know about women she's woman she was soldier for Israel was soldier for Israel she have children she going border in Israel not have border but the people is they tell border Ethiopia border Eritrea not in border that is making problem with any children take by power from school most in Eritrea citizen this is Eritrea is Egyptian this called Eritrea this is Egyptian Palestine means is Amharic in Addis Ababa is Palestine Abebesh and Wolde Mikael Abebesh is Tigrinya language Amharic this old men also this is Tigrinya different people here also coming I'm coming to look I'm coming to in Middle East I need to find family so making problem with us that's day it's a bad day it's very bad day